Well, rents all over the country are rising, and that's threatening the wider moderating inflation story. For more on this, we've got Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero here in studio with us. Hey, Dani.
Brad, renters can't catch a break. I mean, it's hard to get into the housing market, and now the rental market is also looking like a dilemma here. Rents are rising in the Northeast and also in the Midwest, but remember, rents usually go up during this time of year because people like to take advantage of the warmer weather. But it's also important to point out that rent growth, rental inflation, asking rents for new leases remains flat over the past 12 months. That's because there's been so much supply that has been added to the market, so that has pushed rent prices to cool off. But remember, big landlords are actually taking advantage of this strong job growth that we have seen in the labor market. So they have been increasing on renewed leases by about 4% or more. But remember, higher rent prices, that does complicate the picture for the Federal Reserve, who has been pretty much counting on housing costs to come down. And then there's another side to this supply issue too, Brad. Large apartment owners have said that renters aren't moving out because they're buying a home, because the housing market is so difficult right now, right? We have limited inventory in the housing market, high mortgage rates, and also high home prices. So that's keeping a lot of people in the rental market longer. So that means there's really strong demand for rents.
Wow. All right. So we've also got home builder Lennar out with second quarter earnings, even as we're thinking about this broader home economy right now. A home builder citing the choppy mortgage rate environment as a headwind. So can you tell us what the earnings report is really saying about the housing market?
Higher mortgage rates is still going to be a dilemma for the housing market. Home builders like Lennar have been offering incentives like the mortgage rate buydowns. That's when the builder upfronts the cost to lower the rate on the loan to really help buyers jump back into the market. Lennar reported, though, a better than expected second quarter earnings. Their revenue rose 10% to $8.8 billion. But you know what really helped them? They cut home prices. The average home delivered was $426,000 in the second quarter. That is down 5% from last year. But again, the overall theme here is that the same factors, the high mortgage rates, the low inventory, really is going to be kind of a difficult macro picture for these home builders looking ahead, because mortgage rates haven't come down and there still is this demand out there.